A reader sent in a question. They said, I feel like cleaning takes way too long. Am I doing something wrong? I know it can feel like cleaning takes forever sometimes, but there's one key thing to remember. You're the boss here. There are two things to keep in mind if you want to streamline your cleaning. Number one is to remember your order of operations, and number two is to limit the time you spend cleaning so you can let go of perfection. Order of operations just means working smarter, not harder, doing things in a very specific order to maximize your time. The first thing you need to do is collect all of your cleaning supplies in one place. Making sure that you have all your cleaning supplies out in the beginning, it's a little bit like mise en place for cleaning. One, it's gonna make you take stock of the cleaning supplies you have so you don't start cleaning and then realize you run out of something that you need. And two, it's gonna keep all of your cleaning supplies within easy reach so you don't have to stop cleaning and ruin your momentum to go hunt down something that you need. Another thing you can do is group your chores by task instead of by room. If you're gonna lug out the vacuum all the spaces in your home. Same with dusting. It doesn't seem like it takes a lot of time to switch tools, but it really does add up. There are two exceptions to that rule, the bathroom and the kitchen. Those are really hard-working spaces with really specific cleaning needs, so it's totally okay to do those all in one go. And the last thing to keep in mind is cleaning in the correct direction. For instance, you want to clean from top to bottom throughout your space so that as you're cleaning something up high, like the light fixture, you're not dropping dust onto a surface that's already been cleaned. The second big thing you can do to make sure that cleaning doesn't take too long is give yourself a time limit. If you have 10 minutes to clean the kitchen in 10 minutes. Done is better than perfect. If you give yourself a time limit, whether it's the length of a song, the length of a podcast, or just a time that you've decided on your phone, you're gonna make sure that cleaning doesn't take up your whole day. A time limit's also gonna make sure that you don't get sucked into other projects. If you know you only have 10 minutes to clean the bedroom, you know it's not gonna be the time to declutter your closet. If you remember order of operations and limit your cleaning, you're gonna make sure that you don't have to spend any more time cleaning than you want to.